Ring, 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 boomerang. Boomerang. Meow. Meow. And you can shout what's up, what's up, what's up, what's up? What's up, what's up? Oh, hi, JJ, what's up? How are you? Ah, hi, Sigma Fraud. How you doing, buddy? I didn't have enough yesterday. No, here's the truth. Yesterday, I had to delete the VOD, although it probably still exists. I was thinking about it this morning. Do you think YouTube actually, or Google actually deletes anything? Or do you just pretend? I had to delete that VOD though, because I crashed out so hard at the end. It was really unfortunate. And, so it's like the week doesn't feel fulfilled because I only have 4 instead of 5. Work stream VOD kick midnight VOD. It was the work one, but both of those. I crashed out both times. Thank you for noticing, JJ. I crashed out twice yesterday. No excuse. My period is almost over. I have no idea why. Also, sorry I sound like this. I'm really tired. I just woke up. Anyway, I have unfinished business, McLovin. I have unfinished business, and I have a lot of stuff to work on, so I'm like, man, might as well do it with the kiddies. Yeah, I was gonna skip today, but I changed my mind. You know, whatever. Insert meme about women changing their minds. Whatever. Whatever. I changed my mind. Now, one of the things, this actually, it doesn't really matter. I realize, oh wait, am I gonna need that? Let's make 2 more just in case. Right now I have a practice folder and I have a projects folder, and the projects folders are attached to repos. I'm thinking that's kind of redundant, so should I change that? Actually, I'll leave it for now. I don't know. I don't know what real programmers do. I bet you real programmers don't keep the same thing in 2 different places, right? So basically, I need data structures algorithms. Okay, good luck. Yeah, happy studying. I'll try to be a little bit quiet. Good luck, good luck. I woke up thinking about those too. I don't know what they are, but I have a lot of books on my to-read list. We got this one, and what else we need? We need a screen. Let's start a fun screen. Meow. I'll put this button down here. You made your GitHub account. I'm not on GitHub because it's owned by Microsoft. I'm on Codeberg though. Hi Rainbow. Also hi Shreya Sharma. How are you? I'm okay. I'm okay. I'm okay. Tess. We'll just keep this one as like backup in case you need it. I'll put this here. Hmm. Did I finish this one yesterday? I feel uncomfortable. I gotta swivel. did finish this one yesterday. Oh wait. Another thing I'm wondering is if I should move the nested folders out so all of the directories are in the same place. I'm wondering if I should have, oh my god, my brain hurts. Should I even have folders at all? Yeah, I should. It's fine. It's fine. Don't overthink it, kiddie. Oops, I didn't mean to do that. I meant to open it. Okay, this is where we left off. What config file? For them. My config file is really empty. Let me see. Can I open it from here? Split. Wait, no. Switch. What is it called? Vimmercy. Is that it? Yeah. This is it. I have auto command buff right post vimrc source. So I don't really understand what this line does, but I'm pretty sure after you make changes to your vimrc, you have to source it. So I think this line like auto sources it so you don't have to source it. I don't know. I did something about syntax. I don't know. No error bells. I guess that's for sounds. These are from my tabs. I don't know what shift right is. Coaching. My top priority is to watch my beloved. Okay, good luck with coaching and hello Underville. Today. Expand tab. I don't know what that does. Smart indent. I don't know what that. Oh, I think I hate this. Can I turn this off? Wait, do I hate it or do I like it? Sometimes I like smart indent. Sometimes I actually don't like it. How do you comment out of Vim or Vim? How to comment out of Vim? A line in Vimmercy. I don't know how to do it. Is it okay? It's a single quotes. Double quote, no, double quotes. I mean. This comment syntax is documented in the docs. At the start of a line, single, double, single. Oh. I promise you, promise you. So just one double quote. Okay, whatever. Smart indent might not be what you want all the time. Sometimes I like it. There's other times that it makes me really confused. Turn it off. No wrap. I think this is like, so like when I keep typing, it goes off the screen. Do I like that? What if I turn this off too? I want to see what happens. Okay, go home soon. Morning, Maria. Morning, Z4. Oh, thank you. Today we're just continuing some notes. No. I'm explaining how I don't actually understand Vim. I stole this VimRC from the internet, probably from some YouTuber. Thank you, Tan, for the recommendation. I'm okay though. Smart case, no swap file, no backup. I don't know what those do. Ink search, I don't know what that does. New, I don't remember. Ruler, I think that one tells you in the bottom, like where you are, like if it's like the first character on the line. Like right now, and what line? I think, is that what it is? I don't know. Relative number, that's like, so like it says 18 right now for the relative, 17, 19, blah blah blah. That does that. Color column 80. Oh, the color column is to tell me when I'm making the line too long. Why not near of him? I don't know. I I don't know. Uh, I, it's not any deep reason. I'll tell you though. My overall basic thought process is to always start with minimal, start with fundamental, and then build up. I know that a lot of people don't like that these days, because the truth is, what is progress if not abstracting away the small stuff? But if I want to learn deeply, I think I should learn from the fundamentals, from the floor, and then build up. So I know NeoVim is supposed to be like, isn't it like really convenient with a lot of stuff, whatever? I kind of just want to use the bare bones basic stuff. I know I'm light years away when I see someone using Vim. Mm-hmm. Relative is for the numbers at the side of your current line. Yeah, that's what I was saying. That's what I was saying. Just because someone is using it. Relative. Oh wait, oh yeah, it's the other numbers. You're right, you're right. It's the ones that like count from my current line. Sorry about that. Thank you, interview. Just because someone's doing it doesn't mean they're professional. That's true. I'm noting the whole thing. Anyway, I'm telling you guys, I don't even know what it does. And then these are my plugins, so I don't even like them. So one of my project goals is to make my own Vim theme. That's definitely on the list. I don't know how to do it. Constructive learning is good for programming. Yeah, the problem is Rainbow Fox. There's like a billion things to learn. And every day I like wake up and I'm like, oh shit, am I learning the wrong things? Am I learning the wrong things in the wrong order? I don't know. Whatever. Doesn't matter though. I only have one life, and guess what? Because I'm a living being, I'm going to eventually die. So literally nothing I do matters. Whether I learn Python or JavaScript, whether I learn C or I don't learn programming at all, whether I set myself on fire, I'm gonna die eventually. So it doesn't matter. Nothing matters. You'll need Lua for that. Vim API uses Lua. Cool. Yeah, I'm curious about Lua. I watched a little video from the author, and I did take a look at. See, this is the thing. Yeah, I do think so. I don't even know what it means to be like a scripting language versus what do they call it? Like a dynamic language or something, or an interpreted language. I don't even know those terminology, but every time I start learning something, it's like whack-a-mole. 12 other things pop up and it's like, oh, did you hear about this? Did you learn this? Do you know this? Do you know this? And I'm like, oh shit. It just uses one page for docs. Lua is simple to be honest, and why is there that whole book? But do I still have it? Do I have it? I think I might have taken it out. I might have taken it out because I just feel like it just feels like more and more Lua book. Lua manual. Let's go there first. In the manual itself, in the documentation itself, It did point to book. For a see right here. I'm not making this up. You guys treat me like I'm a fucking moron, which I am a moron. But it says right here, for a complete introduction to Lua programming, see the book. Oh, and this buddy is like, oh, Lua is a simple language. The whole document is just one page. It's one page. Literally, right in the reference manual, it links you to another book. So, you know. I wasn't gonna crash out today. I'm not gonna crash out today. I just say that maybe your experience is unique and different from mine. My experience with all of this is that it's like if the concept of Easter eggs also had those Russian nesting dolls, where every time you find a new egg, there's another egg inside of it, and another egg inside of that, and then another egg inside of that. So it's like I just keep going. So I started looking at this one. The first one is online, I'm pretty sure. The first edition. No, not this one. Online, right here. So I started looking at this. I started reading this, and then I'm just like, why am I gonna read a whole book on Lua when I haven't even learned Python yet? So then I just stopped, because it's like, cat, stop getting distracted and do what you need to do. But yeah, I am curious about Lua. It's in the recesses of my brain. To pick technology and tools, ask yourself what you're trying to solve. Whatever. Hi Slung. Excited how you'll be crashing out today. It's already happening. I'm already crashing out. I'm already regretting pressing go live. Good morning, Alphonse and Nam. And scripting language, easy to write, read quickly, not necessarily perform that. Try to keep the messages short if you want me to read them. There's too much text. Manning, what's up? Okay, anyway. Man, I can't believe I'm so easy to rage bait. I'm already pissed off. I just started. I woke up in a good mood today. I'm already pissed off. Let's see. Uh, I need therapy. I just can't afford it. Good luck, Rakai. Don't let anybody try to stop you. There's the detractors. They're out there. They will try to stop you. Oh wait, I need my other file. Well. And so, yeah. Population. Oops. We're just gonna describe the behavior of the following code. What does it do? It's, let's see. Starting with population size, increment by 10% by plus each year. Disappointed. I was programming 5 years, didn't get any cash. Oh, then do something else for cash, maybe. I don't know if you can get paid for programming anymore. I think it's I don't want to be a doomer, but I do think it's kind of too late for that. I think the cash that's been made has already been made, and now the companies are in the process of trying to get rid of coders. Try to get a job, didn't get anything. Yeah. I think but one option that's always there, you could always start your own business. Code is read by an interpreter at runtime. It doesn't translate to assembly, but whatever language interpreter can read. This way it is more portable. Read by an interpreter at runtime versus easy to write and read quickly, but not necessarily performant. Okay, whatever. I still don't really fully understand, but it's all good. It's okay. I think I'll get there. You could still get it if you show them you can program quickly with the use of AI. Okay, so the guy in the chat who's saying you can't get a job, you should do that. Show them, but that's a tough part, right? Because you don't have a job. I think for the powerful models, you still need a subscription, right? Are any of them free? For the more powerful models? I mean, I guess there's always the locally hosted ones, but I'm not really sure how they compare in terms of ability. Let me double check this. What does the following code simplify to? Use max to print min. What do I want to call this? I think for all these three, I want the same thing. Let's make one. Use describe the behavior of the following code snippets. I just leave it like this. So our first one we have complication. Use max to print the min. So that's pretty self-explanatory. This one, but the thing is, comments shouldn't really. Okay, this is a different. This is not really a comment. This is a question of understanding. No, YouTube archive, you're accusing me of something that's not true. And I'm not gonna lie, it's really pissing me off, so I'm gonna ban you. But first, I'm gonna make you listen. You rude mother. Oh, I'm so mad right now. Calm down, kitty cat. Calm down. It's okay. It's okay, kitty cat. Relax. He's just a moron. You don't have to get upset. Why would you get upset at people who have low IQs? That's like some kind of eugenics. The reason why I have a YouTube channel is because I'm a VTuber, you dumbass. I'm a VTuber. My real channel is Missus Moonson. When I started this channel, I wanted to have so on my real channel, I do a daily podcast and I like it. I don't want to change that. Most streamers, most VTubers, they stream all day playing video games or doing funny things, trying to be entertaining. I do a podcast instead because I like it. I like keeping that stream nice and short. So I don't like doing long streams over there. But I realized that I'm an expressive person and I wanted to have a place where I could do other things too. So I thought about using this channel to like document my other parts of my life. So sometimes I play Sims on here, sometimes I do work, mostly I do work. And yeah, I'm like, I'm not really that interested in playing games all the time because I don't know, low attention span. So I'm like, if I'm doing this, I might as well document the process and maybe have people along the way. But I have no intention of working for big tech or some tech company. I don't give a shit about them. You're 13, well, good, get banned, you loser. Man, I'm so mad, okay. Man, I hate this. I hate getting so tilted. By the way, I don't want to spoil it, but I'll just spoil it. People probably stole my idea already. One of the ideas that I have for a video game, come on, you random cat. You know what, y'all? It's because I told the kiddies that I like banning people because it makes me aroused. So they keep trying to trigger me. Um, but yeah, I have a project idea. It's one of the secret projects. It's a streamer simulation game. I spelled simulation wrong. And I don't know the name yet, but the basic premise at first is like you simulate the life of like not a life, like the job role of a streamer who has a chat, and then there's like a lot of trolls in the chat, right? And at first the goal of the game is, as a streamer, you gotta moderate your chat and get rid of the trolls. That's the beginning of the game. But as the game goes on, the streamer becomes more and more evil. And then the streamer ends up being the troll that terrorizes the random chatters that try to piss them off. I'm so excited to make this game. I didn't play Needy Streamer Overload. I don't know what it's about. I've seen screenshots of it. It does look cute. My understanding from that game is that, well, people tell me not to play it because I have mental illness. They think it's gonna trigger me to want to commit suicide or something. But that's not the kind of game. So this one is not like, it's not like, oh, the chat breaks the streamer and makes them hate themselves and hate living. It's like the chat doesn't know that the streamer is a sociopath, and they find out the hard way. Yeah, Crucial Flow Research. I'm not sitting here saying this is an original idea that no one has done before. Oh my god. Oh my god. No, Tanky274, it's a mod simulator slash psychological horror game. It'll end in a bloodbath. We'll just say that. It's gonna end in a bloodbath. I don't even like violence, but streaming makes me feel violent. Good luck. Yeah, yeah, it's on the long list. It might not be in the next 3 years. Whatever. The streamer redacted the viewers? Nice, sounds lovely. Exactly. Let's go. Will you write it in Python? I'm gonna write it in whatever language pisses the most people off. I have to figure out what that is first. Meow, meow, meow. Meow, 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 meow. I guess I could go back to ignoring the chat unless someone needs moderation. Let's see. I don't know how else to write this. Add two numbers. Subtract the max. The result is min. I don't know where else I have. It's just kind of a bad example. It's okay. It's okay, it's okay, it's okay. Oh wait, I don't need this. I don't need this either. I don't need this either. I'll just do it like this. But for this one, I have a simple code. What does it do? A payment calculator. Put the minimum payment for credit card balance. $10 or 2.1% greater. whichever is greater. Yeah, so what is it doing? It is calculates calculates 2.1% of balance, compares it to. This actually was wrong though. Did I not fix this? Balance. I think this code was wrong actually. Let's go fix it. Wasn't I missing something? Let me double check. Two X. This one. The minimum payment is equal to 10 or 2.1, whichever is greater. But if this exceeds the balance, oh yeah, that's what this one is. Okay, got it. So first, we take the max of the balance, or 10, and then the minimum of the calculated balance or balance. I don't know how to describe this in few words. Maybe I just did it. Max between $10 and 2.1%, and min between result and balance. That's fine. That's what it does. And then we have the sorting scramble. Sort 3 numbers in increasing order, X, Y, Z. This does what? This is just a comprehension check, because sometimes you look at other people's code and you don't really know what it's doing. I prefer Odin over Go. That's sad. More pieces would be for you, right, Zig? Hi, Flem. Brain bleep. Is that a real language? Ah, my tummy hurts now. My tummy hurts. You reordering notes today? Hopefully not just reordering them, but hopefully getting somewhere. Right now I'm trying to explain what this code does. So, using temporary variable swap values until X is less than Y, which is less than Z. Yeah, that's what sort does. I think this is actually fine. Yeah, I leave it like this. Then we get out of here. Go into 3. What is this? Second guessing. Seconds per minute. 60 seconds per hour, seconds per minute. It was describe the behavior of the following code. Say that what it does is prints the number of seconds in a week. I think that's what it does. What? Seconds per minute, 60. Seconds per hour is seconds per minute times 60. Seconds per day is seconds per hour times 24. The days per week is 5, but then days per week is reassigned to days per week plus 2 to include weekends. And then we get seconds per day times the number of days in a week. Yeah, okay, that's good. And then we have, what is this? Oops. What is a string? What is a string? What is a string? You know? What is a string? But something for a kitty cat to play with. Backslash at work. What is the expected output for the following code snippets? We'll do that, and we'll get rid of this one, and then we'll do in here, we'll do the answers. So what do we expect to get from print? Here's a single quote escape. We should get here's a single quote escape, just like that. And we could test it with meow. Yeah, here's a single quote escape. Alright, okay. And then this one, this line, this is an escape of a double quote. What does that actually look like? This is an, so we're escaping the quote, so it's gonna be included. And we escape this quote too, of a double quote. Should look like this, and we can always verify. Yep. Okay. We'll do the same for this one. Backslash flat cat, no racks, 12 hacks, meow. I think that's what it looks like. I don't know. I just wrote some nonsense, guys. I wrote some nonsense. Oops. Backslash slash single quote, double quote. Yeah, it looks like that. Okay, and then we have write a program that prints a secret message. I don't know, this is really kind of cringe, but Whatever. A double stuffed cookies. Cookies, as in cookie has escaped the jar. Ah, this is more nonsense. Okay, so this part is where I'm a little bit confused. So the first backslash escapes the next one, so we get 1. Then the second backslash escapes the quote, so we get 1. So it should end like this. What? I think so. Something like this. Lem. Yeah, it looks good. So we're done with that one. 사랑해요. Or notes. Meow. I know sometimes it takes a little while to figure out what the workflow is, but once you get into it, it's pretty simple. Why does the following produce an error? Hello world 35 and max. Because you're mixing the instant the string. What is a string? A sequence of numbers. What is an integer? Some other stuff. Oh, 0, a positive natural number. Or the negation of a positive natural number. What is the following? What will the following code output? The types. So string. I mean, technically this is wrong though, because it's going to be 3 lines. So let's go ahead and fix that. Let's fix that. Okay. But I think meow. This is Virtual Indian Machine. What Markdown preview plugin is this? It's the one from IMCCO. I liked it because I mean, it's a bit much though, honestly. There's probably a simpler one, but I like it because it automatically updates. This one. IMCCO. I like it. It's good. It's simple. It's good. There's a way to show hide block markdown by clicking on it. So, Machi, I did go over that yesterday. I did discover it using HTML, but I feel like, I don't know, I couldn't, this sounds really silly, but do I like it? I feel like I didn't like how it looked. So you do details, and then summary, right? I'm hiding secrets in here. Something like this. And then you can click it. Obviously this has to be not hidden, so let's see. Whatever. But Yeah, thank you. I mean, you said it. So, would it be more useful for people if there was a drop-down solution? Yes. But do I want to do that? C++ 2326 introduces a wide range of helper functions that make C++ easier. Oh, cool. Now people talk about all kinds of different things in here. Not sure. Okay, the honest part. Oh, I spelled summary wrong. Oops. I was like, why isn't it showing my thingy? It's like this. I'm hiding secrets in here. There you go. As long as you know the option exists, it's fine by me. Pick whatever you're like. Okay, thank you. Thank you. Yeah, I discovered. Someone told me about it, and then I saw how it works in action, and then I was like, oh shit. Imagine having to refactor all of these files, though, to like turn it all into that. Oh, but you know what? It could be a good exercise, actually. It could be maybe like so. Like I know you guys don't like the way I do things, but I do think if it could be a good lesson in like how to practicing how to quickly use Vim and stuff, because Vim is like really powerful. So or even like a script that parses the markdown file and looks for this like setup right here, since it's like a very repetitive structure, and then replaces this with the details. I feel like that could be a practice thingy. Yeah, Vim macros also would make it trivially easy too, probably. And substitutions. Uh-huh. Anyway, but for now, I leave it like this until I decide, oh no, I made a terrible mistake. I need to redo it. I'll need to do it all over. How long did it take you to get comfortable with Vim? I don't know. I would say I'm still not comfortable with Vim. What do you mean? I'm still not comfortable. I've been using it for years though. If that's what you're really asking. I've been using it for years and I don't know what I'm doing. Shit. Well, shit. This one has 2 lines. So we go with the typecast function. I don't like this. A function which that uses a constructor to change a type. I don't know if that's true, by the way. I think I made that up. I think I actually just made that up. Ah. Typecasting is the process of changing a value from one data type to another. So maybe it doesn't have to use a constructor function that changes a data type from one to another. Something like that. 이것을 원해 영원로 plus Control X, Control F. I believe you that it's useful. I don't currently know it. I'm also not really looking for Vim lessons in the chat right now. But if you really want to tell me, you can. But I don't really wanna go down rabbit holes. Yeah, I'm just fixing my notes to make it look pretty. Cause girls have priorities. Make it a little prettier. And then for this, because I repeat myself so much, I'm gonna just take all this out. I'll change this one to what is the expected output of the following code snippets. And of what is the expected output for the following code snippets? Oh wait, we take this and we put it here actually. I didn't see this one. You snuck by me, buddy. We delete this, delete this, delete this. It's a little bit better. So this kind of just isolates problems. I'm wondering if, for clarity's sake, I should put all the standalone questions at the top of the file. That would probably look better, huh? I don't care. I don't do it. We'll leave it alone. Nothing matters if it doesn't look gorgeous. I don't know what ASM means. Go. Okay, sorry I said hi already. Ah. Meow, 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 meow. Aw, shit. Aw, shit. I gotta do more today. Oh, this is where I left off. Oh, shit. Ah, shit. Aw, man. Gotta do the whole thing now. Ah, I keep losing my mouse. Where's over here? It's short for assembly. Cool beans. We discussed user input, but didn't really explain how user input is obtained. In Python, the user types one line of input at a time. You should use the input function to actually obtain the next line of input from the user. The next line? Is it just the next one or the first one too? The input function takes no arguments, always gives back a string. How do you obtain input from the user in Python? It's kind of a cringe question, but you know, some newbie somewhere, like maybe like in the future when I stop using Python, maybe I'll forget. Oh wait, but I have to do that. That's okay. On this website, input must be specified before the program runs. If you run Python interactively at home, the input actually pauses the program and waits until the user types a line of text. When working interactively, you could take advantage of the fact that input accepts optional string input, which will be interpreted as a prompt for the user. Yeah, that's true. Maybe we put that in there too. Put it in here. Optional prompt for the user. You know what? I realize now, in hindsight, what I should actually be doing. Replace these with single quotes. Get rid of this and replace these with double quotes. Because I think this works too, if I'm not mistaken. Yeah. That looks a little bit cleaner, easier to understand. Put this here. Here's an example. The grader will automatically specify the input for the program, echoing a line of text. Line equals input. Print. The first line of the input is line. Okay. Oops. I'll just scroll. What is the expected output for the following code? And then we have print. Pretend the user enters meow. Then we should get something like the first line of input is meow. Would there be a space? Yeah, there'll be one space. I think that's what we should get. Let's try it. Let's try it. Oh, my brain hurts a little bit. Oops. Oh yeah, no, that's fine. I forgot to comment it. Let's see. Echoing text. One is my other one. This one? Oops. Do I really want to write this? Am I okay? Right. Fine. Oh, I'm scared. What have I done? What have I done? What have I done? Okay, just line equals input print. I don't know. Whatever. Oops, I forgot to put it. So awkward. That was so awkward. Okay, I don't know, whatever, that was awkward. Yeah, it works, it works. Whatever, it works, it works. It's fine. What do they have for this? This is the automated grader's input. Okay, or whatever. Next example demonstrates by calling input multiple times. By calling input multiple times, you can access multiple lines of input. The first call to input gets the first line, second gets the second, etc. The string given by input can be converted to an integer float. like in lesson 4. In the second test case, the third line of input is not read because input is only called twice. So, okay, we're gonna look at this. What is the expected output? I really don't know what this example is doing. Input string, a float plus 1, second line input. Playing with input, I guess. Input string equals input. So this is called a float, is taking that input string, a float. I need to clean my keyboard. My A key doesn't press. It doesn't press. Print a float, not a float. A float plus 1. Print second line. So put something in there. Pick a number, any number. Put your mouth, nothing without you. Input. This part I don't really get. I don't know what that's gonna do. Let me think about it. It's gonna print second line. My brain hurts. I don't know what this is gonna do. It's gonna call input again, isn't it? Will I call input first and then print the whole thing? Whatever. Let's try it. It's okay. Okay. So first it's gonna print. I gotta pick some pretend thing. Let's say we pick 10. And then we pick like meow. We should get 11. And then we should get second line. Meow. Right? Something like this. And then, oops. If I run this, ooh, does it work? Input string. Okay. We have an error. Name error. A float is not defined. Do you mean float? Or maybe it doesn't work in the REPL. Let's try it in the other one. This is why we have both. This is why I have both. Because that. delete it. Input string. Pick a number. 10. 11. Oh, I didn't put anything for this one. I should have put something in there. It works. We'll put like what the cat say. What does the cat say? Meow, 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 meow. I'm just kidding. Ah, my tummy hurts. What that dog doing? I asked AI to force text font higher and chat via extensions. Meow, 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 meow. Why are you mad? I'm on my phone. You can control to zoom in. Are people complaining? I'll lurk unless otherwise I'll be spoiling the dubbing. Are people complaining that they can't read my text again? That's fine. It's not for you to read. It's for me to write. Is it for anyone? I don't know. I'm just joking. Or is it for the YouTube chat? I forgot to start my... it's been 1 hour. I forgot to start my... what do you call it? Timer. Let's keep grinding. Okay. So that is done. Let's move on to the next thing. Or we run it first. 8.8 is my favorite number. 9.8 is my favorite number. Oh, +1 and then got it. And then the next case, 4.2 is good too. This third line of input won't be read because there's no... Yeah, got it. From now on, most exercises will allow the option of entering your own test input. Try the following experiment. Press Enter Input button above. Leave the input text box empty. Press Run Test. You should get an error like end of file. EUF error, end of file when reading a line. The acronym EOF stands for end of file. This message literally means that the program called input but failed to have any available input to read. Usually in our lessons, input is provided automatically by the grader, so this error could mean that your program called input too many times, running out and going past the end of the grader's input. However, in the example error you just caused, the input was user provided, and you chose to provide no input, so the first call to input was already too much. Meow, meow, meow. Meow, meow, meow. I kind of want to look at more about this, but I don't want to go on a rabbit hole. We're learning about input. I understood meow thing. Meow, meow, meow. Ah. Sugar. I don't know, what can I say about this? We just write like, what does EOF and what does EOF and EOF F error stand for? This is a low bar question. Even a newbie can answer this, right? There you go. Easy. Let's go. Get the quick wins. Okay, let's keep going. Another problem. Another coding exercise. Oh. For the next exercise, you're asked to debug a program which is not working and make it work. Note that the bug is not a typo, but rather a logical bug. The program is not correctly designed to do its job. You must redesign it a bit. Okay, so we'll just do this one. Behavior of the following code. And then we'll have Python. And then we'll have, what the heck is this called? This is called echo. Write a program that reads one line of input and prints out that same line 2 times. If the input is echo, the output should be echo echo. Okay. Read once, write twice. Right now they have print input, which takes 2 inputs. So what we want to do is we want to save it to some variable and then print it twice. Right? So like fix the broken sample, delete the whole sample, start from scratch. Okay, whatever. Meow. I gotta stop calling everything meow. What if we call it echo this? Then we do input. And then we do print echo this. And then we just do the same thing. Something like this. I think this works. Let's try it here. We got a did not pass for the current one. But if we replace it, it works. Wow, it works. Oh my god, wow, it works. Accept obtain user input and print the text twice. That's fine. Oh, we're done. Wait, we're done. Yay. Okay. We're almost done rather. This needs to go in the other file. Oops. Are you streaming for 3 days? What does the question mean? What does end of file mean? I don't know that part. I don't know that part. You're getting close to making self-contained scripts. Look up meow in different language and use that. Meow. Oh, I like that. Okay. EOF doesn't really intuitively explain what the error is. I agree with you. I agree with you, Yunya. I agree 100%. But I was being intellectually lazy. I was being very lazy. I was thinking to myself, I don't feel like looking that up right now. I should though. I should say like, what is an EOF error? I don't really get it. Um, how long? Where's my calculator? I feel like I took like 3 months off, maybe 5 times 30 times Probably like an average of 2 hours. I feel like it's bigger than I think I've been studying for longer than 300 hours, but that's the absolute floor. At least I've been learning Python for at least 300 hours. But honestly, I'm also not the most efficient. I expected more, but got error fixes up. How to fix it? What does it mean? What is error? What is an? What is a? A condition in a computer operating system where no more data can be read from a data source. The data source is usually called a file or a stream. Words. The hacking? Your thumbnail looks like you're hacking. Later, meme god, eventually. Not today, though. Okay, good luck with your C. You can go, or you can grind more chapters. I'm gonna grind more chapters, Machi, but can anybody here who's experienced give me a simple definition for EOF? Could somebody give me a simple definition for what end of file means? I don't really get it. Computer operating system. A condition where no more data can be read from a data source. I feel like that's kind of vague. I don't get it. Whatever. They have specific goals. Learning about a specific aspect. Finishing specific exercises. Okay, that's true. Today's objective is to, not just today, my current ongoing objective is to do the second pass through this program, University of Waterloo's computer science circles, and take notes and like just review stuff. Take notes and review in the process while practicing using Vim and practicing just like, yeah, practicing using things like typing things and whatever. It's out of allocation space. Or whatever. Yeah, it's my first language. Happens when you try to read from file stream, expect data, maybe send to the file. Interesting. I don't know what those words mean. There's nothing in here? Oh my god, I forgot that I didn't get the Safari yet. Shit. Oh no. Oh no. Oops. Pick me. Up to now, all of our programs have executed their instructions in order without skipping any lines. Here's an example. I have to sneeze. Oh. Here's an example. Step back and forth through the code with the buttons. I have a birth here. Current. Oops. Birth here. It says the keyboard arrow keys. It doesn't work. It doesn't work. Oh, like that. Birth here. Current here. Age calculator. Print UR. It's just so. Oh, I love these though. I love these visualizations. I think the frames are so useful. Like looking at the global frame. So in the global frame we get birth year, and then current year, and then age, and then the output is here. Writing Python for the past week, doing finals project early. Ooh, very nice. Meow. Do I want to use this example? I think I need to. Do I need to? Yeah, do it first. The new ability in this lesson, the if statement, which allows us to perform actions only when certain conditions are met and skip a line otherwise. For example, let's change our program to output an extra message when someone's age is large enough. Okay, we do it. I think we should do the exercise. How do I want to write this down? Do I want to just write it at the end, or we just write one and then we update it? Let's see. And this is meow, meow, meow. Birth, age discrimination. Discrimination. Birth year equals. Can someone give me a birth year? Meow, 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 meow. Meow, 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 meow. That's too young, but okay. For 2014. Current, yeah. I don't like this camel case, but we do it. Actually, we don't have to. I forgot. Yeah, just do it. I don't have to though. 2013. Imagine. We write a bug immediately into the code. Meow, meow. Okay, let's do that. And the if statement allows us to perform actions. Okay, let's change our program to output an extra message when someone's age is large enough. We'll add 2 lines. Okay. How do I want to do this? I think, do I want it to be 1 or do I want it to be... It's okay. Did I not do it? I did do it. Let's see it. And then for this one, right, describe the behavior of the conditional I forgot again, what's the difference between a statement and expression? An expression evaluates to a value, right? And a statement doesn't have to. So describe the behavior of the following codes conditional. Is it an expression? I don't know. What's the behavior of the following conditional statement? I think expressions are statements, but statements might not be expressions or something like that. So we need to add an if age greater than 65, enjoy retirement. Shit. If age greater than 65, print. Can I interest you in a wealth management service pack? By the way, I own a hedge fund. Just joking, I don't. Okay. Let's see. Maybe this one will just right. Okay, calculates user's age and puts it in a message, something like that. I'm feeling so energetic. And then this one prints one message for 65 plus and different message for other ages. Yes. Oh, you guys are telling me that you're not a billionaire's daughter? What? You're telling me that's unrelatable? You don't know what that's like? It's unrelatable to me as well, don't worry. I'm not a billionaire's daughter, unfortunately. I should have been, though. Damn it. I told you, my mom should have. Never mind, I won't say it because I think some people in here might actually be underage, which is really strange. Also, hi, Chalox. How are you? No! Wait, we do this? Oh, I like this better. Wait, we do. Actually, no, I don't want to bully people. I'll leave it alone. I'm not a daughter in general. Okay. You're not a cat's daughter. You're a cat's daughter. True. Gabaning Mandragola. Gabaning Marcel. And Jeremiah. Notice that the print statement. I want to make this funnier. Okay, whatever. What happens with the exact same program when the birth year is changed to 1928? I think I skipped a step. Oh, got it. Okay, so I actually have this wrong then. Prints two messages. Two messages for users One message for other ages. I'm getting a little bit confused right now. I'm getting a little bit confused. So she just broke the dough. Oops. I'm confused. I'm confused. Up, 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 down, down. Okay, line 27 is the same as 41. But this is the part where I'm a little bit confused, so. Okay, now. How do I want to do this again? Oh, wait, we do want two of them. Ah, my head hurts. How do I want to write this? Ring, 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 boomerang. What if? What if we don't do the behavior, we just do the freaking output? Oops. Can I not? Can I not? What is the expected output for the following code? And then we do. Man, it is. This is 2014. We just got. You are -1 years old. Ha! That's funny. And then this one. Oops. Ah. Something like this. What's the year? 65. Boomerang. 19. ING. 1947, the year that the transistor. Was that the year the transistor was invented? I think it was. Or was that the year that they got the prize for it? Yeah, let's go! 1947! High five. How many of you knew that? Give me a high five, please. I want a high five. At Bell Labs. You know, this Bell Labs place did a lot of stuff. Useless information. Okay. I don't even know if that's 60 years though. 53 plus 10. 63 plus 3. Yeah, that should be over 65. That should be exactly over 65. Can I interest you? Shit. Let's call it a package, not a pack. Done. You are. I don't know how old this is. 50 plus 3. 53 plus 10. 63 plus 3. 66. 66 years old. I think that's what I was saying. Crazy. Oops, I keep pressing the wrong buttons. Can I assume the wealth management service package? You're 66 years old. Yay, I can count. Okay. Enjoy retirement. Do you notice the difference? Yes, I do. This is exactly the purpose of an if statement, to check something and perform certain actions. This is a condition. Meow, meow, meow. And the statements that are dependent on whether the condition holds true, the body has to be indented, which means there are extra spaces at the start of the line. The body can contain more than one statement. Did you just write several into lines? You turn 100 and 100 plus birth year. Lem, 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 lem. Let's do another one. Oops, I didn't mean to do that. Shit. Ah! Meow, meow, meow. Meow, 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 meow. So we add the conditional. Then we change the birth year. I want to do one more change. I'm gonna make it a little bit different though. Is that bad? Oh, whatever. It's fine. It's a little bit bad. No hints. We go back to the year 2014. 2014. And we'll say if age less than 0. Go nuts, it's your code who's gonna stop you. Yeah, exactly. I'm gonna need to see some ID. I'm gonna need to see some ID. My tummy hurts. Okay. We go up. The standing desk goes up. I forgot to start my timer again. promise you. Young one, I remember. Young one, I remember. Ever and ever, I promise you. Guitar. I promise you. Ow! I promise you. Ah. It's okay. Because one more. Say 2 more, 3 more, 4 more. Oh god, there's a lot more. Ha ha ha. In the next exercise, we asked you to write a short program with Boolean comparisons. We saw examples if x greater than y, blah blah blah. Okay, whatever. Sorry. Running out of steam a little bit. Write a program, IHOP Python, that reads an integer from input using pancakes equals int input. If pancakes is more than 3, print yum. If pancakes is not more than 3, print out still hungry. Okay, that's easy. Delete this comment and there it goes here. Pancakes equals int input. How many pancakes will you feed me? With pancakes greater than 3. It says more than. It doesn't say more than or equal to, right? So more than J. Put else. Print. Still hungry. I failed. Okay, let's see what I did wrong. 10. Program output. How many pancakes did you feed me? Yum. Okay, fine. They don't want me to put this in here. I'll take it out. No, we can't have fun. No fun is allowed. No fun is allowed. Yes, it is the same thing though. Okay, I actually was gonna keep going, but my tummy really hurts, so I stop. I stop. My tummy is really killing me. I hope you guys have a good day. Have a good weekend. I can't build an app for you, but you could build an app for yourself and each other. Do your homework. Treat your parents nicely. Goodbye, kiddies. See you next time. You too.